Please click on the subscribe button and the bell to never miss our latest videos. Thank you.
Hello friends, today we are going to analyze Indo-Borax and Chemical Limited September update. As we have seen, we have recommended this share when it was in rupees 999. From that stage it is almost double, and there is a resistance at around rupees 1996. So it has to cross that previous resistance to go to the next higher places. I will explain the prospectus of this company. This Indo-Borax and Chemicals Limited, they produce borax, boric acid and lithium hydroxide. The demand for lithium hydroxide is increasing. The demand for boric acid also increasing in India because of the Make in India initiative. Government is giving more focus towards infrastructure. Hence, there is a demand for steel. When there is a demand for steel, there is a demand for boric acid. When there is a demand for electric vehicles, batteries, there is a demand for lithium hydroxide. I will explain you why this company is going to prosper. Okay. Before that, let us see what is the September update. So, company has declared a record date for a stock split. Record date is Tuesday, September 28th, 2021. Stock split from the face value of rupees 10 to rupees 1. So those who are holding Indo-Borax and Chemicals Limited on record date, that is September 28, 2021, let's say if they have one share with the face value of 10, they are going to get 10 shares with the face value of 1. To be eligible for this bonus share, so Tuesday 28 is a record date. So people should purchase this share by 23rd, so that T+2 transaction is performed on 23rd, 24th and 27th. By 28th it will come to your Demat account and you will be eligible. To be in the safer side, sometimes what happen, to transfer here, if there is a delay, then the broker, it will be in the broker account, so there will be a delay. So for a safer side, for any record date, always T+3 is the best date. That means 22nd. Okay. So 22nd, 23rd, you will see a spike here because there is a huge demand comes up. After that, what happens? Demand comes up. People who purchase, they will start dumping it. They're planning to sell. Then the share price will go down. So next week the demand comes. It should cross the previous resistance. Then it at least goes towards 2100, 2200 in that range. And after stock split, always for 1 or 2 days or 1 week, depends on the nature, stock price will come down because people will sell the additional shares. Then price will come down. Then again October onwards price will go up. The reasons, if you analyze last quarter, September 2020, sales was 27, and after that you can see the sales almost doubling. Similarly, the profit before tax, profit after tax in September 2020, 5.85 crore, and after that you have seen it is increased. So it is going to double in September 2021. Sales also will double, profit also will double. That means your EPS, earning per share, also will double. So from that perspective, this share will do well. Okay. So this share will do well and move towards, when after split, move towards 250 plus. So one can still hold this stock for further gain. This we have recommended when the breakout was happening. Similarly, there are two more stocks which in next 2 months it is going to give a big breakout, and those are, one is Lakshmi Machine Works Limited, another is Lakshmi Mills Company Limited. So those who want to enter in the right moment where the breakout is ready, they should look into these two stock for 2 months perspective. Lakshmi Machine Works Limited, once it crosses its resistance zone of 8633, it will make another upward journey towards 15,000, so it has to cross the previous multi-year high of 8,900. It is in the U-shape recovery. Once it crosses that range, it is again going to go for upward direction. I have created a separate video on Lakshmi Machine Works Limited where you can see the reasons why this company is going to move towards that range. So this is one company where it will be ready for breakout. Once it breaks out this range, it will move towards 15,000, and October result is expected is very good. Okay, this is one company. Similarly, another unknown company for many of the people are Lakshmi Mills Company Limited. You can see here face value of ₹100, book value is 6,853. The current price is 3,280. Okay, book value is double of the current price, and in October result it is going to give excellent result. Its EPS will be good. So if you see, earlier it was making losses, and from December it is started making profit, and EPS also growing. There are many reasons. Okay, the demand from government, Tamil Nadu government, demand from central government, cotton and prices are increased. Okay, cotton tax is reduced, removed in Tamil Nadu. So all these will contribute. Exports are increasing. All these will contribute for next good result in October, and obviously it is going to increase its share value. This Lakshmi Mills Company Limited is holding 5% of Lakshmi Machine Works Limited. When this company grows, share price grows, obviously Lakshmi Mills Company Limited share price will go. Lakshmi Machine Works are in machine works, demand sector or defense sector. Okay, they are in multiple sector which is booming because government is giving more focus to Make in India defense sector. So Lakshmi Machine Works is going to be one of the machinery. You can refer my earlier videos. I am giving the links here as well. Okay, so one who already in Indoborex gained almost, it is doubled, and it is further having a chance of further 10 to 20% increase. Then it will have some cool off period, and then again it will start the journey. And journey in Lakshmi Machine Works is about to start. Okay, from here. So people may think that it is costly. Rupees 9,000 is costly. Okay, rupees 3,000 is costly. But when the journey starts, it's a percentage increase. Similarly, you may see Indoborex also costly. If people are looking for penny stock, mid cap stock, then this also looks costly. It is not a costly factor. It is a momentum breakout factor which needs to be considered. So, Lakshmi Machine Works and Lakshmi Mills Company Limited, these two will be a shining star in next 2 to 3 months. I'm giving 2 to 3 months. The momentum will start much early. Okay, those who are having higher risk aptitude, they can keep it for longer term. It will surely give good result. You can see it is in upward journey due to COVID impacted. Again, it is recover now due to government Make in India's defense sector. It is going to further shine. Okay. So those who are interested, they can look into these two stocks for their analysis. Thank you.